The mystery of the hidden treasure. In a quiet seaside town, there lived a group of adventurous friends, Mia, Jack, and Leo. They loved exploring the old lighthouse at the edge of the town, which was said to be haunted by the ghost of a pirate captain. One stormy evening, the friends decided to visit the lighthouse. As they climbed the creaky stairs, they found an old, dusty map hidden under a loose floorboard. Dear viewers, this story is to improve your Urdu and English reading skills so that you can easily understand and speak both languages. For our efforts, if you haven't subscribed to us yet, please do so quickly and like and share. Thank you. The map had strange symbols and a big red X marked on it. This must be a treasure map, exclaimed Jack. Determined to find the treasure, the friends followed the map's clues, which led them through dark, winding tunnels beneath the lighthouse. The air was damp and cold, and strange noises echoed around them. Mia held the flashlight steady, while Leo deciphered the symbols on the map. Suddenly, they heard a loud crash behind them. "What was that?" whispered Mia, her heart pounding. They turned around to see a shadowy figure moving towards them. "Run!" shouted Leo, and they dashed through the tunnels, the figure close behind. Just when they thought they were trapped, they stumbled into a hidden chamber filled with glittering gold coins and precious jewels. The shadowy figure stepped into the light, revealing itself to be an old man. "Who are you?" asked Jack, still catching his breath. The old man smiled. "I am the guardian of this treasure. Many have tried to find it, but only those with true bravery and friendship can succeed. You have proven yourselves worthy." The friends were overjoyed and thanked the guardian. They took a small portion of the treasure to help their families and promised to keep the secret of the hidden chamber safe. From that day on, they knew that true adventure and friendship were the greatest treasures of all. I hope you enjoyed this suspenseful story. Would you like another one or perhaps a different type of story? Answer these questions in comments. What did you think of Mia, Jack, and Leo's adventure? Have you ever found something unexpected like they did? What would you do if you found a treasure map? If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please do so quickly and like and share. Thank you.